up? This is Atomic Swift, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm just reviewing two new apps that just came out for Plex. If you don't know what Plex is, Plex basically is a software that allows you to create your own media server. Like, I've got a whole nother tower sitting right next to my computer that it's a whole nother computer tower. It's actually my old gaming computer that I added hard drives to and converted it to manage all of my media. I've copied all of my music, movies, TV shows. Everything is over there on that Plex server, where I just load up the Plex app on my phone, on my smart TV, on my Amazon Fire Stick, on my computer. You can go to the website, and I can watch all of my media from anywhere in the world. It is the greatest thing ever. I definitely recommend, if you don't have Plex, you should definitely get it. It's free to use, and you can create your own server with it. I think if you don't have the Plex Premium Pass, I believe you can't download like CD covers. It doesn't show you can't look at trailers through the app like for the movie you want to watch. It doesn't download movie posters, stuff like that. But you can use the software for free. Me personally, as soon as I read what Plex Pass Premium is, I jumped on that shit because you can do all kinds of shit with it. It's awesome. You can do fading with your music, loudness level, gapless playback, silence compression. It'll show you lyrics, artwork, artist bios. I mean, just all kinds of shit. Movies and TV shows, like I said, it'll show you movie posters, give you synopsises for the TV show you're about to watch. I mean, it's great. I want to say I paid like, I'm trying to think, what did I pay? I think I paid like, I think $150 for the lifetime pass. Let me see. I'm gonna look online here. It's gonna see how much is a Plex Pass. Yeah, okay, so according to Google, it's still $4.99 a month, $39.99 a year, or $150 for lifetime. I paid for lifetime because I love Plex. I use Plex to watch all my TV. I don't have cable TV. I have all my media on my Plex server. I watch everything from there, and it's awesome. Now, if you have Plex already and you're using the free one, you might be thinking, oh, well, I don't care about artwork. I don't care about all this bullshit, that you get for $150 for lifetime. I mean, I never have to worry about that payment ever again. That shit's mine. I can have, all this artwork, lyrics, everything. It's the best. And I think you get the Plex Live TV and music and shit, or, I haven't even checked that stuff out that's included with Plex Pass, the Premium Pass for Plex Pass. Well, that's hard to say. But anyway, the video I'm doing about today is, like I said in the beginning and the title of the video, today, well, maybe within the last few days, I just saw the thing about it today. Plex has released two new apps, which are fucking awesome. I haven't really looked at Plex Dash that much, but today in my car I was using my Plex Amp, which is kind of like almost like Winamp, but it's basically to listen to all your music from your Plex server without, loading up the web page or loading up all this bullshit. It's just for the music. There's no video, nothing in there. And here it is right here. This is PlexAmp right here. And this is really cool. I've been playing with this all day, listening to music. Right now I was just listening to Crazy Town Drowning, which Crazy Town Dark Horse is an underrated album in my opinion. I love that album. And it kind of went under the radar. I like it. And but anyway, it's really cool. So what you can do, like I said, this right here is the PlexAmp. I mean, look how little, there's nothing to it. And I mean, you could download stuff for, offline play. I don't do that. I would show you in here, but then it shows my email address and everything. So, but you can do all kinds of stuff. You can download, you can search your whole music library. One of the things I really like, I'm trying to think, where was that? Yeah. Look at this. You go up past history. Well, it keeps track of all the tracks you've been playing. Like, it'll keep track of like your top tunes, stuff like that. Like I said, I haven't been using this for multiple days. I just got this today, so you can see 50 Cent, stuff like that. But what I thought was really cool is, check this out. This is library video, which is really cool. So it just, randomly grabs shit out of your entire library. And I've got like at least 200 gigs of MP3s, FLAC files, on my Plex server for playing all my music. Like I said, anytime I bought an album off of Amazon, you know, I just put it on my Plex server. Buy the digital album, put it on my Plex server, and, you know, it plays, you know, because Amazon Music files, their MP3s or their FLAC, whatever, I forget what they use, has no DRM. But it's cool, though. Like, you can do Mix Builder, where you can add artists, and it'll just play a mixture of all artists. I mean, it's really cool. And like I said, you only get this with Plex Pass, so you might as well get it. I mean, this is really cool. And one I liked really cool was this. Was it Decade Radio? Yeah, check this out. You just select random. I mean, look at it. It just, you know, just random songs. And, you know, you can go through the whole. I mean, that's so cool. I mean, it just picks random songs. I mean, it's so awesome. And then it just plays them in like a huge playlist. I mean, look at all this just random stuff. And I just downloaded this for my computer right now. I've been using it on my Android phone all day, you know, synced with Bluetooth to my truck. And it's so awesome. I mean, you just have... It makes Plex even better, in my opinion, because Plex has always been awesome, but, you know, I would have to load up the Plex app in my phone, and then I'd have to go in, and, you know, it would show me my movies, TV shows, music, where this just shows you music for, like, when this is in my car with my phone. I'm just like, shit, I just want to go through the music. This PlexAmp player just lets you go through your music. Oh, it's fucking awesome. Like I said, if you have Plex Pass, the premium thing, you get this for free. Definitely go download it. Plex Dash lets you basically manage stuff on your server, your Plex server that you've made in your house, right from your phone. I mean, you can go in and you can edit artwork. You can edit, like say you put a movie on there and Plex pulls the wrong information and is, you know, telling you the synopsis for the wrong movie. You can go in there and edit it right from the Plex Dash app, which is cool because other than that, you have to log into your Plex on the website, then go in. It's really easy to do once you figure out how to do it, but it's a pain in the ass sometimes. I have to go in there where you can just do it from your phone. It's like you're sitting there. Oh, nice. That's weird. I already had the Juggernaut edition, I thought. But anyway, it's just so cool. You know, it's like if you're down, you know, like I watch it downstairs usually, and if I'm watching, like, say, I'll go to watch a movie that I'd put on there, and I go, oh wait, that's not the right movie's not popping up. Oh shit, it's all fucked up. It's saying the wrong movie. It's saying a movie from the 1970s, and it's a movie from 2020. You could just bring up your Plex Dash, and I said edit it from right there. It's so easy. And we're going to review that next. Like I said, PlexAmp is on iOS, Android, Windows 10, Mac. So I can show you the PlexAmp on my computer. Sadly, Plex Dash, hopefully it's just for right now, is only on iOS and Android, which is weird. I wish they'd put it on computer, because then I can show it to you from here without having to switch to my camcorder. But, and, you know, it'd just be cooler to edit that shit directly from my desktop as opposed to having to use my phone. You know, I would download it for both, but it's really cool. So that's PlexAmp. Definitely download it. It's fucking awesome. There's cross-fading, all kinds of different shit. I didn't even look through that crap, where you can change the fading and all this stuff. And look, mood radio. Look at this, angst-ridden radio. I mean, it's just so, oh my god, I mean, this even makes Plex more awesome. I cannot recommend Plex to people enough. When people come over to my house, like, to watch, like, movies with me or something, and they look at the Plex, and, I mean, they're looking at my Plex server, it's just, you know, gigs and, well, terabytes and terabytes of movies, TV shows, and music, and they're just like, Jesus Christ. And I'm like, yeah, this shit is cool. And they're like, oh, how can I get it? I'm like, dude, this is a server I built myself. You have to do it yourself. I was like, dude, I've got all my DVDs and shit ripped and put onto the server. All my music CDs ripped or bought from Amazon Digital, put onto my server. Everything is there. Yeah, I mean, it's just awesome. I mean, you could put podcasts, you know, you can put, there's all kinds of stuff you can put on your Plex server that would pop up on this PlexAmp. It's so awesome. Oh, wow. That's theatrical radio. What's tough radio? That's definitely tough. But, I mean, it's cool. Like I said, normally I would have to load up the little Plex player, which sucked on Windows 10. I would always just load up my Plex server through my Google Chrome browser, listen to everything from there. This little app right here makes it no problem. Like I said, the song playing pops up down here in the right corner of the screen like you saw. All streaming from my Plex server from anywhere in the fucking world. It is the best thing ever. And that is PlexAmp. definitely get Plex. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by Plex. I just love Plex. I cannot recommend Plex enough to people. I mean, you could do live TV, DVR, everything through Plex. Plex is the greatest thing ever if you have media on your PC already. I mean, I can even run for a while before I got my own little desktop to make a Plex server. Before I converted my old gaming machine into Plex server, I ran all my media from my desktop PC. So right from my old gaming PC, you could run it through your house through that. Now, you don't want to game while transcoding video through the Plex server, so that's why I've got a separate thing that handles everything, so it puts no load on my main PC. But like I said, I'm just rambling because I love this app. I love Plex. I mean, the best $150 I ever spent on a piece of software, service, whatever. It's the best. But now we're going to check out Plex Dash. Okay, so now in this part of the video, like I said, we're going to talk about the new Plex app, Plex Dash. Sadly, this is not available on Windows 10. Hopefully that'll change. But it's really cool. Like, normally you'd have to log into the website, log into your Plex account to be able to see all the stuff this app is going to show you. I mean, look at this. It shows me all the recently played stuff, or maybe it's top played stuff. Yeah, it's top played stuff that on my Plex server. They break it down by television, movie, music. So like the most played music, oh, Shawn Mendes, 9 plays, 8 plays. Yeah, I mean, it shows you individual stuff, and I mean, that's really cool. I mean, look, they even show you each individual user that is looking at that stuff, and it's really cool. You know, you scroll through it, and then just want to take it out of view real quick because there's stuff on here that'll give out my account info, shit like that. You could delete your cache from the server. You can view your server logs if there's any problems. Anytime it has to, refreshes the server to scan media files. One thing I thought was really cool is make sure there's no, account information on this. Check this out. Normally I have this running on the screen of my Plex server, but look at this. You can view just how much bandwidth is going on in your Plex server. The processor, which I've got an Intel Core i7-4790K processor on that server, so I mean, you rarely see any big activity on there because transcoding video for that processor is really nothing on a 4-core i7. So let's see. Yeah, see, that's showing the bandwidth going through the server, stuff like that. Let me see if there's anything else here. I mean, you can view your whole library. You can see like just how much stuff you have. And like I've got 4 terabytes of movies, 252 gigs of music, 9.8 terabytes of TV shows, and it can show you what's playing on the server at this time, which I can't show you the screen because it shows personal information, account information. But let's see if there's anything else on here. Yeah, I mean, you can use this app to look on your server and see what is playing at that moment in time. What users using it. You can look at the history of everything that's played by anybody that has accessed your server. Which for me, I've been binge watching Growing Pains, so it's just a lot of Growing Pains shit for me. I'm just looking here if there's anything else. I don't think so. Yeah, I mean, you could pretty much monitor everything. I was trying to see here if let's see. Let me bring that up. Yeah, check this out. Just a second, let me find a movie here. Okay. So we're just going to go to Karate Kid, right? I ripped this DVD to my computer, right? On my Plex server. So like, say that's not the right movie. Say I uploaded the old Karate Kid and it's showing me this one with Jaden Smith. You click right up here. See, and you can edit the artwork. You can look at that. You can edit the media details. You can fix the match if it found the wrong movie. See? Now it's going to try to fix it, but that's obviously the right one. But yeah, I mean, it's so cool. Like I said, if no other reason to pay for Plex Pass, I mean, then these two apps. I mean, these are fucking awesome. I mean, you can look at, like I said, everything. You can look at your top played by you, others, everyone, this week, this month, this year, like just all kinds of crazy shit. I mean, that you would need to log into the site for. It's really cool. But yeah, I mean, that's all I got to say. I mean, this is just for like if you like managing your Plex server like I do. Like I like just going through and seeing, you know, if somebody's watching something or like what's the most, I'm just curious sometimes like, hey, what's the most watched? Like, you know, how much bandwidth's being used. I don't have to log in on the website on my phone or log in on the website on my computer. I just grab my phone, load up Plex Dash, and I can see it all at my fingertips. It's so awesome. I wish they'd put it on Windows 10 because I'd look at it from my computer too instead of having to log into the website. But anyway, that's Plex Dash. The other app is PlexAmp, which you should definitely get it if you have a Plex server. If you don't have a Plex server, try this software. Pay for it, $150 lifetime. I never have to pay for it ever again. I can use their software to access my Plex server. It's the greatest. But yeah, so that's my video. Hopefully this helps you out if you've ever wondered about Plex, or if you have Plex and you didn't realize that these two apps came out. I didn't know. I just happened to be looking on a website and oh shit, two apps, cool. So yeah, that's Plex Dash and PlexAmp, available now on iOS, Android. Plex Dash, and then PlexAmp is available on iOS, Android, Mac OS, Windows. I believe Linux was on there too. But yeah, so that's me showing my love for Plex. I fucking love it. I use my Plex server, like I said, every day to watch TV, movies, and listen to music. God, I listen to music on it all the time. But yeah, so that's my video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all likes, comments, subs, and as always, bye for now.